Morning guys, we're just heading up to Stoneymollan now. We're going to, when we got up to the top at the cross bit where we took you, maybe, was it a few weeks ago, wasn't it? Maybe longer ago than that. Instead of going right at the top, we're going to go left and we're going to hopefully come out at Renton area?
Carman.
At Carman area. We've not actually been this way before, so this is going to be new for us. We thought we'd just come up and do it. As you can see in the background, it's a beautiful day, and you can see my forehead, I'm sweating like nobody's business. I came out in my big jacket like this because it's about half seven, and we thought it was going to be a wee bit cooler, but as we're walking, it's roasting. So,
It says it'd be 6 degrees.
He says it's going to be 6 degrees a day, but it's definitely no 6 degrees. As you can hear, I'm panting as well. I really need to get fitter for going and doing all these hills. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's a wee Bambi just right there. I'm actually thinking that's the one we seen down at the start and we scared it up here. You see it moving there? There it is there. Just running away. Going to find his wee mammy. Guys, it's beautiful the day out here. Unbelievably warm. I mean, like my dad said earlier, this was only supposed to be about 6 degrees or something. I left the house a wee bit chilly, thought I'll put on my red jacket, you know, keep me a wee bit warm. And then it gets up here, and as you can see by my big shiny forehead, I am sweating like nobody's business. Also, I'm a wee bit out of breath. I really need to get a grip. I've only really been walking the day for about 10 minutes or something. I'll need to do some more hills and stuff before the summer comes. Just a wee look behind us at the beautiful scenery. And just when we go up to the top here in a wee second, we'll show you the Ben and some other hills over there. One of them's actually got snow on it today. So just while we're here, I thought I'd stop and just show you. We've got a loose horseshoe here, as I call it. Not too sure what it's actually called, but you got the hills here, go round in like a horseshoe and come back out where you started. And just here in front of you, we've got the Ben, looking amazing in today's sun. And then right here, this island here is Inchmurrin. Got a couple of wee islands here and Connick Hill. And everything this side is the lowlands, and everything that side is the highlands. And just give you a wee shot, look how amazing it looks up here today. Beautiful. So we're just going to keep on going up. Right guys, I'm just going to show you what always happens when me and my dad are on vlogs together. This is how I always think that he's not mad, but he's almost like, right Chris, come on, stop filming stuff, just get a move on. Right, watch this. So obviously I'm here on the camera, and if you can see away in the distance, my dad's away up there. Now, I've never tried this, but I'm going to try running with these and we'll see if we can catch up with him. Right, let's go. Oh, this is dodgy. I'm trying to watch yous and catch up on him as well. Right, and also I'm not fit enough to be running. There we go, we made it. Right Dad, how's it going? Just explaining how when we come on walks together, it's more like you're walking yourself, aren't you? And I'm away in the distance talking to myself like a weirdo.
Something normal about that.
Ah, exactly. So we're just up the top here, and normally we would go through the gate here, but we're actually going to just go to the left where my dad is, all the way along here. There's a wee fence here, you can actually just walk along the fence and just keep on going up there. We're going to just head up there in a wee minute and see where it takes us basically. We've got a wee thing here telling you about the deers. Think twice, don't touch me please. I mean, who's getting close enough to a deer to touch them? And why are you touching them? So we're at that point in every person's walk where I think my path here, run right along the fence line, is the best one. But Georgie, nope, he thinks his way over there is best. But I've talked him round and he's coming over. You guys, look at the deer right here. Look at it. I mean, I can't really see it because of the sun. Very hard to see it here. Oh, there we go there. See it? Just right there. It's amazing. I think that's that same one. Oh! Hear it make that noise? Check out the view from up here. This is amazing. So, where that fence is, it's just over here, the gate. Look at all the trees that are gone, and in the distance over here is the path we usually take. So we're just still going to keep on going up this pathway, just right next to the trees, the fence. Hopefully that wee deer comes closer, I'll get you a better picture, but unfortunately I don't think so. It keeps seeing us and then running away and then going doing its thing, and it's like, ah, I'm fine, I'm hiding, nobody can see me, and then me and Georgie just go, ah, and surprise it all the time. So we've just come up this wee mound bit here, and as you can see, sort of looks like a hole basically. So we think it could be a bomb's hit here. And come around this way, Dad, because the sun's in the camera.
During World War II, they used to light fires on the hill here to direct the bombers away from Clydebank, so that they would drop bombs on the empty spaces. This looks like it could be
where a bomb's hit, isn't it? Right, wait there now. I'm going to go over here, see if I can give you a better wee view where my dad's standing there to show you. It does look like a bomb crater, like if you can see that. It's sort of hard, like so here looks as if the grounds went up like that, like bang, the blast, and the big crater bit here. It does look as if it could be like that. I mean, we're not too sure, we'll maybe see if we can find out. But there's an interesting fact for you today. As my dad says, I didn't know that they used to light fires up here to divert the bombers down. That's cool, isn't it? Yeah. So obviously the Clydebank Blitz still happened, didn't it?
Loch Lomond actually had a navy during the Second World War.
Right.
Because they thought that this would be an ideal place for German parachutists to land, to mount an attack on the Clyde or whatever. So they actually had a naval boat on
waiting
the Loch.
on them.
So the
Sneaky.
Royal Navy had a presence on the Loch during the Second World War.
That's cool. Right, so that's us up at the top here. We're going to keep following the fence all the way down there. We'll eventually come out at the renting. I just want to show you the view up here. Beautiful day, absolutely amazing. Just check the scenery up here. And then right here in the distance, let's see if we can zoom in and show you it. There's a boat. I think, what do you think that is, Dad?
What?
That boat is.
That might be a ferry.
That could be a ferry actually there. People going to and from Dunoon area, maybe. We've also just got a wee pile of rocks here. You can come and add your wee rock tea, and we're going to do it now. There we go. Lovely. Oh,
container boat,
wait a minute. Look there. Wee cracking caterpillar just where I put my rock, almost put him right on top of him. So we've got a container boat here. That's what I was just showing you a second ago. Georgie's just having a wee look through the binoculars. So we've just come off the hill there and we're just at the Carman trout fishery. How cool is this? I've not been up this bit in a long time. The two wee guys just there out in the water. And this wee bit...
Go see the plane thing?
Aye, we'll go there. This wee bit here, just where the car park is, you can see just in the distance here. See if I can zoom in quickly. There's a guy up there, looks like he's going to fly his plane. I don't think you can see that. We're maybe going to go up and see if we can see him. So we just get talking to the wee guy that owns this plane here. Lovely wee guy. You can, this is basically their patch here where they can fly all their planes. His model here that he's kindly let me film, he said this is a quarter size of the original plane. How cool is that?
That's a lot of funding.
This is amazing. Look, he's even got a wee pilot in there, sitting. That is pretty cool. So he said that this plane here gets up to 25 to 30 mile an hour, and he says that really all the skill involved with these is in the landing and the takeoff, and that's really what you're trying to do good. That's pretty cool. You see all the wee bits as well where all the other planes can sit. He said they're going to be up here today about 12 o'clock, but unfortunately we won't be here. I'm going to just take you over and see if we can see the runways. He said there's just a wee bit over here with the runways. He also said that it takes them maybe about an hour to prep that plane, because you have to actually go through the same sort of steps as you would go through on an actual plane, which is pretty cool. Now here's his two runways he was just saying. So runway 1 just going up here and just goes to the right there, and runway 2 just goes here to the left. It's pretty cool. They run 2 days up here, he said. A Wednesday and a Sunday. And he's a cracking wee guy to talk to. I was maybe going to try and get him on camera, but I felt a wee bit awkward asking him. He had quite a lot of information about it. I thought it was really cool to hear. So there's a wee bit here as well. My dad said a minute ago, you might have heard them, that the National Lottery awarded them some funds. Right, I think this guy's going to take his plane up here. This one's an electric one. So guys, that's our vlog today. Thanks very much for watching. Thought we'd just finish it here with the wee plane in the background, if you can see that. As you can see, Georgie's leaning down to have a wee look at it and all that. So it's a cracking wee walk. If you want something different coming up to Stoneymollan, take the left and then maybe come in and see this wee guy with his model planes. Sunday, 12 o'clock, you can come up here and watch it. And Wednesday, I'm not too sure what time he said on a Wednesday. Okay, thanks very much. Bye bye.